Alright, here we go. We got a Caterpillar 740B articulated dump truck. We're going to start with the back. Now, I'm assuming this is a 40-yard or a 40-ton dump, judging off the model number. Not positive on that. It's going to be a quick walk around. I don't know too much about these machines. Dump cylinder, articulation, hydraulic lines, really big machine. Nice looking machine. Alright guys. There you go, Caterpillar 740B articulated dump truck. Alright, let me give you some quick information about this machine regarding the specs and the price. Has a Caterpillar C15 A-Search engine in it, giving it 489 horsepower. The rated payload capacity, 43.5 tons. The body capacity, heaped as configured without a tailgate, is 31.4 cubic yards. And the tailgate capacity, so if it had a tailgate on it, is 33.5 cubic yards. So not a huge difference there. The maximum forward travel speed in 7th gear is 34 miles per hour, and the maximum reverse speed is 7.2 miles per hour. The total weight of this machine, empty, is 75,000 pounds, and fully loaded, 163,000 pounds. The fuel tank is 148 gallons, and the dump time is 12 seconds to raise the bed and 7 seconds to lower the dump bed. And another interesting note, the interior cab sound level is only 79 decibels. I'm not quite sure what you would compare that to, but not very loud at all. And the price, a bare bones 740 would run you about $604,000, and fully loaded with an ejector would run about $725,000. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and have a good one.